So hey guys, the next A series phone from Samsung is the most anticipated phone after the Galaxy S23 series. See, not everyone needs, desire or can afford a flagship smartphone, including myself. That much is clear by the popularity of the Samsung's mid-range A series. While the new Galaxy S23 family will always get attention, the anticipation for the next A series phone this year, the A54, is almost as strong. The A series typically gets an official announcement a bit later than the S series in a separate unpacked event in March or April, while we wait to see if it holds true in 2023. Here is everything I know so far about Samsung's next affordable phone. Although there is a chance that Samsung may announce the A54 at the MWC 2023, which will be scheduled from the February 27 to 2nd of March. This is the phase when Samsung previously launched the A50 series. As you can see, Samsung is making major changes to the A54 and following the design language of the flagship phone, the S23, which is both good and bad for certain fans. Meanwhile, with the S23 and the upcoming A54, Samsung has mostly focused on quality this year, such as the camera, which was a 64 megapixel in the previous A50 series, but now in the A54 there is a 50 megapixel with OIS, which I believe Samsung has improved for better image processing and quality. Along with the main camera, there is a 12 megapixel camera for ultra-wide photos and a 5 megapixel micro lens. Now comes the power. The Exynos 1380, a 5G CPU, will power the Galaxy A54. Let me inform you that the Exynos 1380 has 4 high-performance 2.4 GHz CPU cores and 4 power efficiency 2 GHz CPU cores. This brings it to the level of the Snapdragon 778G. Many of you may be concerned about the price right now. See, in terms of pricing, the A series has maintained a very clear trend of coming in around $500 in recent years. So we would anticipate a similar price this time around. As a reminder, the A53 arrived last year at $449, while the A52 and A52s came at $499. There is no official release date for the Galaxy A54 yet, but based on recent launches, we anticipate learning more about it in upcoming months. So what do you think about this Galaxy A54? Let me know in the comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.